Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon seller account. First, decide on your selling plan, individual or professional. The individual plan is great for selling fewer than 40 items monthly, costing 99 cents per sale. For higher volumes, the professional plan is $39.99 per month. Next, register your business details, bank account, and tax information to set up your account. Once your account is set up, it's time to create compelling product listings. Provide clear titles, detailed descriptions, and at least 6 high-resolution images from various angles. Optimize your product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search rankings. Finally, set a competitive price and choose your preferred shipping method, whether it's fulfilled by Amazon or by you. Efficiently managing orders and inventory is crucial for success. Regularly check for new orders in your seller's central dashboard and process them promptly. Keep a close eye on your inventory levels to avoid stockouts or overselling. Amazon provides robust tools to help you track your stock, ensuring you always have accurate counts. Fulfilling orders quickly and accurately will lead to positive customer reviews and repeat business. To grow your Amazon business, consistently monitor your performance metrics, such as order defect rate and customer service dissatisfaction rate. Aim for an order defect rate below 1%. Respond to all customer inquiries within 24 hours and address reviews professionally. Consider using Amazon's advertising tools like sponsored products to increase visibility. Continuously optimize your product listings based on performance data to maximize sales and expand your reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.